In the heart of Maharashtra, India, lies the hidden marvel of Pitalkhora Cave, a gateway to ancient history. Carved into the rocky landscape, these caves date back to the 3rd century BCE, showcasing the artistry of ancient craftsmen. The cave's interiors are adorned with exquisite sculptures depicting the life of Buddha and various mythological tales. The caves served as Buddhist retreats, providing a sanctuary for meditation and reflection. Beyond their artistic significance, Pitalkhora Caves offer a breathtaking view of the Sahyadri mountains, creating an atmosphere of tranquility and introspection. The Pitalkhora Cave stands as a testament to human ingenuity and devotion, a timeless sanctuary where nature and history converge, inviting you to immerse yourself in the whispers of ancient wisdom.